I don't forgive. Streetlight beating through my blinds. Clock won't move, it just rewinds. I hold my breath like it's a crime, trying to outdrink all this time. Your curfew's gone, but it still stays like smoke that don't know how to fade. I said I'm fine with a straight face, but my hands still shaking misplaced. Heard a shadow on the rain, slipping through the cracks of my brain. No goodbye, no last call, just the sound of a slow bruised fall. Whisper your name, it feels insane. Yeah, you're a shadow in the rain. Your letter sits beside the grass. One more line and I might crash. I could call you, I could lie, but let the silence eat the night. The city hums like broken valves, neon tears on asphalt now. I walk these streets like I belong, but every step is something wrong. You're a shadow in the rain, slipping through the cracks of my brain. No goodbye, no last call, just the sound of a soul blues fall. I whisper your name, it feels the same. Yeah, you're a shadow in the rain. If I see you in a dream, would you turn away from me? Would you smile like nothing hurt? Don't leave me lying in the dirt. I ain't asking you to stay, just stop holding my yesterday. Your shadow in the rain, carved deep like a heartbreak stain. No mercy, no curtain call, just the sound of me losing it all. I whisper your name, it feels insane. Yeah, you're a shadow in the rain. That night don't forgive, and neither do I.